I'm Henry's How To's. I'm going to show you how to make tequila lime steak. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do this recipe based on a 200 gram piece of rump steak. A nice beautiful cut there. So what we're going to do is make our marinade first. So we'll start off with our main ingredient of course, which is some tequila. Now I'm going to add about a quarter cup for this. And to this I'm going to add a quarter cup of lime juice. Now guys, you'll be surprised how well that works together. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Next we'll add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and next I'm going to add in 1 freshly chopped jalopeno. Let's give this a good mix together, and you'll be surprised how amazing that already smells. I myself am not a fan of tequila at all, but this works so well, so believe me, give it a try. So guys, next we'll grab our steak, get it in there, flip it over, get it well covered, and we're just going to cover this with some cling wrap, place this into the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Don't leave it overnight because it will become too strong, so 2 to 3 hours is perfect for this. Alright guys, here comes the fun part. So it's just into a large pan on a medium to high heat. We'll add about 3 tablespoons of oil, and we want to get our oil nice and hot. Now to confirm if it's hot enough, we'll grab just a little bit of our marinade. You want to hear that sizzle straight away. That means we're ready to cook. So we'll go ahead and place our steak straight in. If you don't hear that sizzle guys, take it out, it's not ready yet. Now save this marinade because we're going to need it. So guys, we're going to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on this side. Guys, I'm just at the 5-minute mark now. We'll go ahead and turn our steak over. Just look at that beautiful colour. So we're going to let it cook for about 4 minutes on this side. Now I'm going to go for about a medium rare to a medium. So I'm just at the 4-minute mark now, and by touching the meat, we're sitting at about rare. So what I'm going to do at this point is add in all of our marinade. Just put our steak in all of that beautiful juice. And we're just going to let this sauce cook for about a minute. And let that thicken up a little bit. Just going to flip our steak over now. Let the other side absorb all that beautiful juice as well. Alright guys, our steak is nice and firm. We're sitting at about medium rare. So what I'm going to do, flip it one more time, and we'll take it out and let it rest. And in the meantime, we'll continue cooking this for about another 2 minutes, just to let it thicken up. Alright guys, that's nicely thickened up. We'll turn the heat off. And that's what you want. Alright guys, so we're just going to let our steak rest here for about 2 minutes. I can't stress the importance of that. Alright guys, time to slice. So make sure you're using a nice sharp knife for this. We're just going to cut it into nice thin strips like so. And just look at that. That's exactly how a steak should be. And we'll just add some roasted potatoes on the side. And isn't that just beautiful? Now let's of course add a finishing touch to this, which is going to be some of our jalapenos and our sauce. Alright guys, and that was my take on tequila lime steak and what a beautiful dish it came out. And the moment of truth. Wow. As I said, I hate tequila. That is amazing. I hope you liked that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.